I'm going to be refinishing these shower tiles with Rust-Oleum's tub and tile refinishing kit, and this will cover up to 110 square feet with 2 coats. Remove all the caulk. I'm going to be using a single edge razor blade and Red Devil's caulk remover. After you've removed all of the caulking, Rust-Oleum recommends using an abrasive cleaner like Comet to remove any buildup off of the tiles and then rinse it thoroughly. After your cleaner, Rust-Oleum recommends using an abrasive pad and a product like Lime Away and then rinse it thoroughly. The last step is sanding the tiles with 400 to 600 grit sandpaper. Rinse them off and then let it dry thoroughly. For the 2-part epoxy acrylic, they recommend a varnish brush for the edges and the corners and a lint-free roller cover. I'm using the Rolling Dog Super Micro. This is a microfiber lint-free roller cover. Mix part B and part A separately, and then you're going to pour part A into part B and mix it for a full 2 minutes. Make sure the area is well ventilated when you're mixing and painting, and I'm also going to be wearing a paint respirator. Let the first coat dry for an hour and then put on a second coat. If the second coat didn't cover completely, you can apply a third coat. Wait 3 days before you use the shower or caulk the corners, and make sure you tape off any surfaces you don't want epoxy on.